Welcome to the video. We are here in Bali and we're about to go on a snorkeling and exploring adventure. Let's go! Hello and welcome to the video. We have been here in Bali for the past 2 weeks now, and in this video we are going to be taking you on a boat tour.
Well, we thought it was.
Yeah, we thought it was a boat tour.
It kind of is and isn't, but yeah.
But we're going to be taking you to the beautiful island of Nusa Penida, and we can't wait to explore, take you along with us and find something super special swimming in the waters there. This video is partnered with Insta360, and this is the Insta360 X4. Now, all of the footage that you see from the tour is shot on this amazing camera here.
Thank goodness for this on this tour.
Without a doubt, without a doubt. It was the perfect camera to capture everything. This is an 8K 360 camera. It's got 2 lenses on each side, so it literally can capture everything in a 360 view. It really is an incredible piece of kit.
First thing, we arrived for the tour and it seemed a little bit more crazy than other tours we've been on. There were a lot of people that had the same ticket as us about to get on this. It looked quite small, the boat. It looked quite small.
In the imagery when we booked it, the boat looked absolutely huge, but in real life, it didn't look that big. Here we go, girls. We've got the Golden Dove. What do we think? What if it goes fast? What do you reckon? Does it go fast? Thankfully, we had the Insta360 recording as we were walking and finding the boat, and I connected this, the invisible selfie stick. So I connect this to the camera, I walk along holding it, and this stick goes invisible. So it literally looks like a third-person view. I can get the whole family in the camera shot. There are 5 of us, so sometimes it can be quite difficult to get all of us in the same shot.
Especially when we're walking.
Yeah. So we got on the boat and it wasn't what we imagined. It was fairly small, stifling hot. Like, it wasn't the most comfortablest place.
It was basically like a ferry and there was a lot of people getting on it. It was really, really hot and there was no airflow or anything. But it was fine, we got on that.
The fans were like out of action.
I sat in a seat where the fans were working for me and the girls.
I sat in a seat with no fan and it was so hot. And the people who were like running the tour, they were offering seats upstairs in the upper deck, but you had to pay like, it worked out £2.50 for a can of cola or a beer, and you can go upstairs and get the luxury of the wind as the boat's going along. I sacrificed £2.50. I didn't even get a drink. I just wanted to get some incredible shots of the boat as it was going along, as in a kind of drone way, but without the drone, because I upgraded the invisible selfie stick to this huge, massive 3 meter, like this just carries on and carries on and carries on going, and it's so light, so I literally attach the camera back on the end of it there and I can hold it off of the boat and it just gets some incredible drone-like views. Thank you. We've made it to Nusa Penida. Okay, we've got our personal driver. Good day.
Good day.
Good day. Right here.
Welcome to Nusa Penida.
Thank you. We're ready for the tour.
Yeah.
And I think we've got a cool place coming up first.
Ryan.
Are ready, girls?
Yes!
At this point we were really confused. We thought we were going on a boat tour, but it turns out we were actually going on a car tour. Thanks to the Insta360 X4, I didn't have to think about what I was shooting, as I could just hold it on the invisible selfie stick and I knew that it was capturing everything around me. Then later, in the mobile app, I can add keyframes to reframe the footage and show the parts that I want to show. There is also a tracking option in the app, so for example, me walking, I can track automatically, and this will be the key feature of the footage. This is one of the amazing things about the Insta360 X4. You can shoot in the moment and not worry about what you're capturing because you can reframe later in the mobile app.
Okay, update, we're now going in a car. So we're not on a boat first, we're in a car to the locations. We've got 3 locations to go to, and then we're going on a boat for the snorkeling. And here is our vehicle.
The Chariot of Wonders.
We are on our way. The main man, G'day, is driving. And we're going first to Angel Billabong.
Yes, Angel Billabong.
Angel Billabong. So this is going to be really, really cool. First stop.
So the car tour that we didn't know we were going on had begun, and as you can see from the road, it wasn't the best terrain. It was very bumpy and steep in parts. It was another no drone, no problem moment for the Insta360 X4, giving this awesome third-person view of the car going along.
So we arrived at these absolutely beautiful viewpoints. I think the first place was Angel Billabong.
Yeah, Angel Billabong's the first one. So the first place, Angel Billabong, we didn't actually manage to get the full beauty of it because it was a bit rainy and there were so many crowds. It was literally like photograph after photograph of these people in the crowds.
Which we weren't expecting, so we were kind of adapting, looking at the scenario.
Yeah.
We saw the terrain and realised the safety of the girls.
Yeah.
And we then acted upon that, but obviously with the rain, the slippiness, we were a bit unsure about how the whole tour was going to work, but we quickly realised it was basically the format of the tour of driving to a location with crazy roads, and then you go there, have a photo taken of you, and then you go to the next location.
It was kind of like, at this point we'd realised we're actually on a car tour.
Yeah.
Despite the rain for the first part, the locations that we visited were absolutely beautiful. However, they were very dangerous, certainly for our children. We were literally walking along cliff edges with a sharp, steep drop, and there were no support barriers to keep us safe, so we had to focus on the safety of the children while taking in the beauty. This is where the Insta360 came in again, allowing me to capture the footage and reframe later.
So that is Angel Billabong and Broken Beach done. When we first arrived at Angel Billabong, it was a bit rainy and a bit gloomy. Still really impressive though. And then we walked literally just 2 minutes up and we came to Broken Beach. The sun is out, literally drip sweat. It can just change from rain and cloud to instant sun in seconds. But wow, Broken Beach, absolutely incredible. So those 2 spots, really, really amazing. I think the Insta360 X4 has caught some amazing footage so far. I can really get all the different points of view up high. I can get the girls, I can get me looking back. It really is an awesome camera and perfect for this trip.
We've been waiting to go do this snorkeling. We were all hyped up about this, but we were finally there. It was all a little bit bonkers, all a little bit rushed. Which then again, I can just give massive praise to the Insta360 for just being there and capturing it.
Capturing it all. I managed to get the drone-like shots of the boat again.
Yeah, and that boat journey was extremely fast because we're running late.
We were running late, and the guy was like flooring it. So I was there with a camera, and we started to grip hold of the girls. Like we were literally flying through the sea because
it was worth it.
Yeah, it was definitely worth it. It was worth it. We then arrived at Manta Bay, which there's a clue in there about what may be in the waters around there, and this was when the Insta360 came into its own again, because this can adapt and go in the water with this. So I clipped on the underwater housing, connected the invisible selfie stick to it, and then it was time to go snorkeling and see what we could find. Seeing the manta rays like that, it was absolutely incredible. They were huge.
It was so good. And yet again, you just go in with the Insta360. Don't think about what it's capturing. You there in the moment. It's just grabbing it all.
I was like right under the water, and the big manta ray was right there, but I knew the camera's recording. I didn't have to think about it. I could just focus on what I was actually experiencing in the moment, and that's different to sometimes with another camera because you focus on the shot, on the angle, but with the 360 you know that it's just getting everything and you can reframe it and capture it later, and wow, it was an unforgettable moment.
Seeing the girls in the water with these manta rays, and they are huge, they are bigger than you think they're ever going to be, and the water was quite dark as well, and I was so proud of the girls being there and experiencing this moment and also being able to record the moment as well.
It was just so special being in there, swimming with them and under the water. It was just wow.
With the X4's incredibly high quality 8K shooting capability, you can capture high resolution snapshots as images from your moving footage within the mobile app, saving memories in a unique way.
The majority of the tour was a car tour, but then we had a small boat tour at the end with the main feature, which is what we really wanted. It was incredible, and we wrapped up on the beach using this, which is called a bullet time cord. I connected the Insta360 to this. It's a pull cord, and you can literally spin it around us all, and it captures this wonderful effect called bullet time. You set the bullet time setting on the Insta360 itself, and it just takes care of it. It captures the best moment, it slows the footage right down, and it just looks really, really cool. You can also set it in 16.9 or 9:16. But yeah, that was the ending to the tour, and it was
the bonkers Bali tour was absolutely wrapped up, and actually for us, having the Insta360, it literally gave us every single thing
this was put to the test.
Yeah, it needed
it did
speed.
Everything.
It changed into all different things to be able to capture everything that we needed to capture.
I can vlog with it. It can handle the weather conditions. It goes underwater. All capturing 8K footage. This is an incredible camera, and if you're interested in this camera, it is now Black Friday, so there's a special deal on this where you get 15% off using the link below in the description, the first link in the description below, for 15% off the Insta360 X4, saving over $75. You don't want to miss it. This is the best travel camera on the market. It is incredible.
100%.
We really hope you've enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we shall see you in the next one.
Bye.